In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix App Store not working on iPhone. If the App Store refuses to load, can't download apps, or keeps spinning, it usually comes down to your connection, your account, or a temporary glitch. We'll walk through a clean set of fixes from the simplest to the more thorough, so follow along on your iPhone. Start by confirming your internet connection. The App Store needs a stable link to work. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have cellular data enabled, then quickly test it by opening a web page or streaming a short video. If that works but the App Store still doesn't, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if one performs better in your current location. Next, clear App Store usage data, which refreshes personalized recommendations and can resolve odd loading behavior. Open Settings, scroll down to App Store, tap Personalized Recommendations, and choose Clear App Usage Data. This won't delete your purchases, it simply resets App Store suggestions tied to this device. Now fully restart the App Store itself. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom and pausing, or on models with a home button, double press the home button. Swipe up on the App Store card to close it completely, then reopen the App Store from your home screen and check if it responds normally. If it's still acting up, verify your date and time. Incorrect settings can break secure connections. Go to Settings, tap General, tap Date and Time, and turn Set automatically on. This syncs your iPhone's clock with the network, which the App Store relies on to communicate with Apple's servers. If the issue persists, refresh your Apple ID session. In Settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. After signing out, restart your iPhone, return to Settings, and sign back in to your iPhone with your Apple ID. This reestablishes your credentials with the App Store and often clears download or verification errors. Still no luck? Reset your network settings to clear out corrupt Wi-Fi or cellular configurations. Keep in mind this removes saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN, and APN settings, but doesn't erase your personal data. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, then choose Reset Network Settings and confirm. You can rejoin Wi-Fi networks afterward. When you've done these steps, open the App Store again. In most cases, it should now load, search, and download apps without a hitch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple iPhone and App Store tips.